So today we are going to continue the topic on angle of elevation also. So here we have another example. Now it says a man is what? 1.8 meters tall. Observes a bird on top of a tree. If the man is 21 meters away from the tree and the angle of sighting the bird is 30 degrees, calculate the height of the tree. The key to any question is understanding first. So we have a man is 1.8 meters tall. Let's draw our man here. So it means his height is what? 1.8 meters. Observes a bird on top of a tree. So if he's observing a bird on top of a tree, it means he's elevating his eye. He's looking straight, this is his eyes. Then he observes a bird on top of the tree. So here is our tree. The bird here. So he observes the bird from the top of the tree. If the man is 21 meters away from what? The tree. So it means that between the man and the tree, this is the tree. Is what? 21 meters. Remember, his height is 1.8 meters. And the angle of sighting the bird is 30 degrees. So our angle here by which the man was able to see the bird is what? 30 degrees. So what? Calculate height of the tree. So we have to find all of this. This is our question. So let's try to redraw this here. So if you want to redraw it, we have it like this. So we have 1.8 meters, 30, right? We're looking for all of this, x. And we have here as 21. So it automatically means that here too, here is 21 meters. This is a straight line, the same point. It's also 21 meters, right? It's 30 degrees. So we're asked to find all of here. What do we do? If here is 1.8, it also means that here too is also what? 1.8. It means from this equation, we do not know what here is. So we call here y. Based on what we have, that's based on this information here, it means that x is equal to what? Y plus 1.8. And this is what we're looking for x. So how do we reduce this further to understand it again? So what we are looking for now is once we find y, we're able to solve the equation, right? So then we go. We have here, we have this, we have 30, we have y, we have 21 meters. How do we solve this? We go back to to tell us which of the right formulas to apply to this question. Remember, sin theta equals opposite all over hypotenuse, cos theta equals adjacent all over hypotenuse, and tan theta equals opposite all over adjacent. What do we have? We have opposites, we have adjacents. So it means 12 for us. So we do for this. And then we now see our tan 30, right? equals to opposites all over 21. So our y is equals to tan 30 times 21. Our y is now equal to what this answer is. Whatever we get as y, we now have x is now equal to our answer here y plus 1.8, and that will give us our final answer. So our third example says angle of elevation of x from y is 30 degrees. If the magnitude of x and y is 40 meters, how high is x above the level of y? Understand the question. Let's try to represent this. The angle of elevation of x from y means we're reading from y. That means this is y. From y to x is 30 degrees. Angle of elevation of x reading from y is 30 degrees. If the magnitude of xy is 40 meters, that's this magnitude, 40 meters. How high is x? How high is x above the level of y? So this is the level of y. How high is x above the level of y? So it means this is what we're looking for. So again, the drawing makes us see it clearer. So we have our figure like this. We have here to be 30. We are looking for here the height. This is x. This is y. This is 40 meters. What trigonometric ratio is going to help us solve? Again, we have to go back to find our wage. So we have our so, our car, and our twi again. We have this as sine theta equals opposites all over hypotenuse. Cos theta equals adjacent all over hypotenuse. And our tan theta is equals to opposites all over adjacent. So which of them works? We're looking for here, and this is what? This is our opposite. This is what we're looking for. We have our hypotenuse. So what works for us opposite and hypotenuse is our so, opposite and hypotenuse. So it means we have this to be sine theta equals to our opposite is what we're looking for, all over 40. Therefore, sine 30 is equal to opposites all over 40. Therefore, the magnitude or the height as our opposite is equal to 40 times sine 30. That's the final answer.